Hi, my name's Dave and I'm the owner of Business Directory Plugin, or just BD for short. This video will walk you through how to install Business Directory on your local WordPress site. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your site as an administrator or super administrator if you have a multi-user install of WordPress. Once you've logged in, navigate over to the plugins dashboard. Start by clicking Add New under the plugins. Now in the search field, enter Business Directory Plugin and click Search Plugins. You'll get a list of results, and at the top should be my plugin right here. Make sure that I'm the author by D. Rodenbaugh to make sure you're installing the correct one. Next, click Install Now and select OK. In just a minute or less, WordPress will download and install the directory plugin. Click Activate Plugin to complete the process. When Business Directory first installs on your site, we're going to ask you if it's okay to anonymously track the plugins and themes that you have installed. This helps us during testing of releases to really make sure that we're covering all the right things that you're using instead of just guessing. We absolutely never track your sensitive or personal information like email addresses, passwords, or payment data. If you want to see the specifics on what we do track, click on What Do You Track to learn more about it. Allowing tracking is really helpful for us to make stable releases for you, but if you choose not to be tracked, that's fine too. Your choice won't affect Business Directory's performance in any way. Finally, to help you get started with some helpful links and tips, we're going to ask you if you want to receive a short email course from us. If you do, just enter your email address and click the confirmation link when the email arrives in your inbox. This too is optional, but we do provide a lot of great information right away to help you bootstrap your directory into something powerful and successful. Congratulations, Business Directory plugin is now installed and you're ready to get started with configuration.